Welcome to 91 Mobiles News Bites, guys. I'm Deeksha and I'm gonna tell you about everything interesting that happened in the world of tech today. Let's begin. Let's start with the news about Xiaomi, which is trying to expand in India. Only a couple of days ago, this news came that it has partnered with Paytm and it will be setting up its brand store there. So you will be able to buy Xiaomi devices on Paytm. Currently, you can buy the Xiaomi Mi 5, Redmi Note 3, Redmi 2 and Redmi 2 Prime from the website. The Mi Max will also be available, but from July 13th. Now today a news came that Xiaomi partnered with two other companies called Just Buy Live and Innocom, and these companies will be implementing the direct to retail marketing model by Xiaomi, which has been developed especially for Indian market. So what it will do is it will let people in smaller cities buy Xiaomi devices easily through offline stores, and there'll be a very less number of distributor layers in between, so the products will not be really pricey. Also, while we're talking about Xiaomi, I must tell you that the Xiaomi MIUI 8 Global ROM beta version was released today, which is based on Android Marshmallow. Let's talk a little bit about robotics now. Miligro launched another robotic vacuum cleaner in India. It's called AguaBot 5.0. Now it's a mop, so it's a smart mop, and if that was not enough, it's the world's largest smart mop and India's first wet mopping, dry cleaning, floor vacuuming robot. It has a brushless mechanism, so it can easily clean carpets as well. And when it comes to floor cleaning, how it works is that the front portion of the device wet mops the floor while the rear wipes it dry. Now here's the fun part, it's a mop priced at Rs 31,990. Time to talk about a phone launch. The Samsung Galaxy J1 Ace Neo was unveiled today. In terms of specifications, it comes with a 4.3-inch display, which is pretty compact. Under the hood, it gets a quad-core processor, 1 GB of RAM, it has a 5-megapixel primary camera. These are pretty entry-level specs. The Galaxy J1 Ace was an entry-level phone. It was launched for Rs 6,500. So I'm expecting a similar pricing for the J1 Ace Neo as well. However, we don't know when it will be available in India and for what price. Now for all of you who just bought a smartphone with a Snapdragon 820 processor, thinking that they have the fastest processor out there, there's a news that might make your phone feel a little old, because the Snapdragon 821 chip was officially launched today, and among other improvements, the company claims that the Snapdragon 821 processor is 10% faster than the Snapdragon 820 chip. Let me know in the comment box below which phone do you think will be first launched with the Snapdragon 820 processor. That's pretty much it for today. If you'd like to know more about everything we talked about, all the links to the blog posts are in the description box below. Still, if you have any queries left, leave them in the comment section below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Make sure you subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. To stay updated about everything technology, you can also follow us on Instagram and Twitter at 91mobiles. I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you for watching.